Across the playground, quiet eyes observe, sensing more than they reveal. Across the playground, quiet eyes observe, sensing more than they reveal.
When unfairness grows loud, courage finally steps forward. A challenge accepted, doubt trembles, but pride refuses to fall.
Support doesn't always shout, sometimes it stands steady.
Victory crosses the line first, silencing every whisper.